The DoorDash Dasher app frequently gets stuck on the starting screen, frustrating drivers who need to get online quickly. Understanding why this happens is the first step to solving the problem effectively. As of August 2025, there are 5 primary reasons why the Dasher app gets stuck during startup. Each cause requires a different approach to fix. The first 2 causes are cache corruption, where temporary app data becomes damaged, and memory issues, where your device lacks sufficient RAM or storage space. Network connectivity issues during app launch and version conflicts between outdated apps and server updates are the third and fourth common causes. Finally, device compatibility issues occur when your hardware or operating system doesn't meet the app's requirements, especially on older devices. 70% of Dasher app startup issues occur during peak hours, lunch rush from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner rush from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. During these busy periods, server load increases and network congestion makes startup problems more likely. Understanding these root causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. When you know whether the problem is cache-related, memory-related, or network-related, you can choose the right fix method, solve problems faster, and minimize your downtime and lost earnings. The first and most effective solution is clearing your app cache. This removes corrupted temporary data that prevents the app from starting properly. For iPhone users, the process is different. You'll use the offload app feature, which removes the app but keeps your data, then reinstall it fresh. Step 2 is restarting your device. This clears system memory and resolves conflicts that may prevent the app from launching properly. Step 3 focuses on your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for the app to communicate with DoorDash servers during startup. If the previous steps don't work, complete app reinstallation is your most powerful solution. This gives you a completely fresh start with the app. To prevent future startup issues, keep your app updated, maintain at least 2 gigabytes of free storage space, and clear your app cache weekly during active dashing periods.